Dr. Vivek Gupta, cardiologist, Delhi Apollo Hospital, Sola. On the left side we have LAD and circumflex. Left side में LAD और circumflex होती है. On the right side we have right coronary artery. Right में right coronary artery होती है. एक branch होती है diagonal, which is the branch of left ventricular descending artery. One branch from left ventricular descending artery diagonal. We had done a stenting in 2020. We had done a stent in 2023, and now he came with a history of recent atrial fibrillation. इनको atrial fibrillation हुआ, heart irregular हुआ, और इनका ejection fraction was about 35%. पहले 50%, 55% था. So this patient came for a follow-up, and we have done an angiography, and I'll show you the changes which he has happened in 2 years. Initially, he did not have any blockages. This time we found that he did not have any blockage on the other except for. So we have done an angiography, and you can see the angiography result. There is a stenosis in the circumflex artery with 80% here, and which was not there in 2023. जो 2023 में नहीं था, यहाँ पे एक blockage है which is about 70 to 80%, and then there is a blockage in the LAD which is about 80% and 70-80% distal LAD, but it is supplying a large area. The stent in the diagonal branch is also having some disease, and which is the branch. So this is the story is that the blockage, जो नए blockage आ गए जो पहले नहीं थे, the new blockages have come which were not there before in 2023. So he has a prone for this. He is a diabetic, and also this you can see the stenosis here narrowing. I will just show you again. This is the narrowing. So right coronary artery fortunately is okay. There is only minor plaquing. Right coronary artery ठीक है, and so now this is the renal artery, and so now we will do. I discussed with the family that he has a progressive disease. इनको branch अलग-अलग जगह blockage आ रहे हैं. मैंने एक स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ. एक आदमी है डॉक्टर पैट्रिक सराज, वेरी गुड कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट फ्रॉम हॉलैंड. ही सेज कोरोनरी आर्टरी डिजीज लाइक ए डेंटल डिजीज, दांत की तरह होता है जिसमें कभी इधर ब्लॉकेज आता है, कभी उधर ब्लॉकेज आता है. तो यू कैन हैव मल्टीपल टाइम्स लाइक डेंटल, यू हैव टू ट्रीट. एक दांत ठीक कराया, दूसरा कराया, तीसरा कराया. इसी तरह से हार्ट में भी होता है. तो 2023 में हमने एक स्टेंट लगाया था. उस समय और जगह ब्लॉकेज नहीं थे, बाकी 2 जगह ब्लॉकेज आ गए. न्यू ब्लॉकेज हैव कम. वी विल नाउ डू एंजियोप्लास्टी. आई विल शो यू एंजियोप्लास्टी आफ्टर दिस वन, जस्ट इन द नेक्स्ट सिटिंग. I'll just show you the angioplasty.